Dear students, today we are discussing visualization and representation problems in paper 2. These are the very important models for public examination point of view, particularly 1 mark and 2 mark questions, and you will get chance up to 15 marks in examination. First you see all the cards and you just pause the video, so practice your own, then you will check up answers with key. This is the first card, second card, third card, fourth card, fifth card, sixth card, seventh card, eighth card, ninth card, 10th card, 11th card, 12th card, 13th card, 14th card, 15th card, 16th card, 17th card, 18th card, 19th card, 20th card, 21st card, 22nd card, 23rd card, 24th card, 25th card, 26th card, 27th card, 28th card, 29th card, and final 30th card. These are the questions, so you practice your own. After you check the answers with key. Now answers. First question, from the figure find the area of shaded region. Here triangle formed by coordinate axis, so therefore the area of triangle formed by coordinate axis is equals to half AB. Here A means x-intercept and B means y-intercept. So the distance from O to B is x-intercept, that equals 6 units. The distance between O to A is y-intercept, that equals to 4 units. So A means 6 units and B means 4 units. 2 ones, 2 threes, 3 fours, 12 square units. The answer is the 12 square units. Second question is, from the given figure write the coordinates of the midpoint of CD. So here the point D lies on x-axis, so D equals to 6, 0. The point C lies on y-axis, therefore C equals to 0, 3. The midpoint formula is x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. So 6 plus 0 by 2, 0 plus 3 by 2, that equals to 6 by 2, 3 by 2. Answer is 3, 3 by 2. Third question, in the given figure the point at which the line intersects the y-axis. So the line intersects the y-axis at 2 units. So therefore each point on y-axis x coordinates is 0. Therefore the point is 0, 2. The point is 0, 2. Fourth question answer is, what is the slope of the line formed by the vertices C and O in the figure? Here is given, this is 90 degrees, 60 degrees. So the third angle will be 30 degrees because the sum of the three angles in a triangle 180 degrees. So angle C 30 degrees. So here we apply the formula tan m equal to tan theta. Therefore slope of line equals to m equal to tan theta equal to tan 30. Tan 30 is equals to 1 by root 3. Therefore answer is B. Fifth question answer is, from the figure find the slope of the line AB. Here given 2 points A and B, A 0 comma minus 4, B 3 comma 0. Therefore if A x1 y1 B x2 y2 are the 2 points in the Cartesian plane, then the slope of line is formula is m equal to y2 minus y1. Here A 0 comma minus 4 x1 y1, B 3 comma 0 x2 y2. Therefore these values substitute in this formula, m equals to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1, that equals to 0 plus 4 by 3 minus 0, that equals to 4 by 3 is the answer. Sixth sum is, observe the figure, if DE is parallel to BC, find the length of EC. So here we use Thales theorem. If a line is drawn parallel to one side of triangle to intersect the other two sides at two distinct points, then the other two sides are divided in the same ratio. This is the basic proportionality theorem or Thales theorem. So AD by DB equals to AE by EC. So here AD means 2, DB means 3, that equals to AE means 1.5 by EC. Here we cross multiply the numbers, fractions. So 2 into EC equals to 3 into 1.5, EC equals to 4.5 by 2, that equals EC equals to 2.25 centimeters. Now 7th question, draw a line segment of length 7.2 centimeters and divide it in the ratio 5:3, measure the two parts. Here is the answer. Here we draw a line segment AB equal to 7.2 centimeters, draw a ray AX and make 8 equal parts on AX such that A1 equals to A1 A2 equals to A2 A3 equals to A3 A4 equals to A4 A5 equals to A5 A6 equals to A6 A7 equals to A7 A8. So join A8B and draw parallel to A8B A5B dash. Then it meets AB at B dash. Now measure the AB dash 4.5 centimeters, B dash B 2.7 centimeters. 8th question, observe the figure and state by which similarity law triangle FGH, triangle KIH are similar triangles. So here is the answer. In triangle FGH and triangle HIK, angle GFH, this angle, and angle HKI, this angle, are alternate interior angles. Angle FGH, this angle, and angle HIK, this angle, these are two alternate interior angles. So here FHG and IHK are vertically opposite angles. Therefore triangle FGH, triangle HIK are similar figures by AAA similarity rule. 9th question, draw a rough sketch of a given statement. If a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle to intersect the other two sides in distinct points, then the other two sides are divided in the same ratio. This is Thales theorem or basic proportionality theorem. The rough figure is, so ABC triangle, D is parallel to BC. So AD by DB equals to AE by EC, or similarly AB by AD equals to AC by AE, or AB by DB equals to AC by EC. This is 10th question. Draw a rough sketch of given statement. The ratio of the areas of two similar triangles is equal to the square of the ratio of their corresponding sides. This is area of similar triangles theorem. So here is the figures. So area of triangle ABC by area of triangle DEF is equals to AB by DE whole square, that is equal to AC by DF whole square, that equals to BC by EF whole square. This is the figure. Here is the 11th question. Draw a rough sketch of given statement. In a right angle triangle, the square of the hypotenuse is equals to the sum of the squares of other two sides. So this is Baudhayana theorem or Pythagoras theorem. Here is the right angle triangle, right angle at B. So this is the hypotenuse. So the square of the hypotenuse is equal to sum of the squares of the other two sides. Here is the 12th question. In the adjacent figure, BP equals to 5 centimeters, CQ equals to 7 centimeters, and AR equals to 6 centimeters. Find AB plus AC. So see this. The length of the tangents drawn from external point to a circle are equal. So here AR equals to AP, BQ equals to BP, CQ equals to CR. So AP 6 centimeters, CR 7 centimeters, BQ 5 centimeters. Here AB means AP plus PB. AP 6 plus 5 11. AC means AR plus CR. 6 plus 7 13. So 11 plus 13 equals to 24 centimeters. 13th question. In the adjacent picture, find the length of tangent. So we know the length of tangent formula, root of d square minus r square. Here d means the distance from center to the point 15 centimeters, minus r means radius, root of 15 square minus 9 square, that equals root of 225 minus 81, that equals root of 144. So 144 square root is 12 centimeters. 14th question answer. Find the radius of a given circle. Here QR is the diameter. So angle in semicircle is right angle. So angle in semicircle is right angle. Triangle PQR is right angle triangle. Right angle at angle P. So we know the Pythagoras formula. Square of the hypotenuse equal to sum of the squares of other two sides. Here hypotenuse is QR. Remaining two sides are QP and PR. So QP square plus PR square. QP means 24 and PR means 7. So 24 square plus 7 square. So 576 plus 49, 625. QR equals to root of 625, that equals to 25. Therefore QR is the 25 centimeters. So but we want to QO or OR radius. So QA is radius, that is half of its diameter, 25 by 2, that equals to 12.5 centimeters. 15th question answer. PA and PB are tangents to the circle with the center O. If angle APB 30 degrees, then angle AOB. This is a quadrilateral. So these are the right angles. So this angle is 30 degrees. 90 plus 90, 180. 180 plus 30, 210. So the remaining angle is 150 degrees. 16th question answer is, from the figure angle PAQ 80 degrees, find the angle OQP, this angle. So we know the formula. If two tangents AP and AQ are drawn to a circle with center O from an external point A, then angle PAQ is equals to 2 angle OQP. So angle PAQ means 80 degrees. Here 2 is transposed to left side by 2. So 2 ones 240s, that equals to angle OQP. Therefore angle OQP is equals to 40 degrees. 17th question answer. From the figure AO equals to 13 centimeters, OP equal to 5 centimeters, find AB. So here one statement, in two concentric circles such that a chord of bigger circle that touches the smaller circle is bisected at the point of contact with the smaller circle. So here AP equals to PB. So in triangle APO, angle P 90 degrees, because this is radius, this is tangent. So here angle is 90 degrees. So in triangle APO, angle P 90 degrees. AO square equals to AP square plus OP square according to Pythagoras formula. AO means 13. 13 square equals to AP square plus 5 square. Plus 5 square is changed to the left side, minus 25. 169 minus 25 equal to AP square. AP equal to square root of 144. Therefore AP equal to 12 centimeters. So we want to find AB. So PB also 12 centimeters. So AP equals to AP plus PB is equal to 12 plus 12 equal to 24 centimeters. 18th question answer. From the figure, find the center of the circle. So we know the diameter is the midpoint of the center is the midpoint of the diameter. So center of the circle is equals to midpoint of the diameter equals to, here we use midpoint formula x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. So 3 plus minus 1 by 2, comma 0 plus 4 by 2. So 2 by 2, comma 4 by 2. Answer is 1, comma 2. Therefore, the center of the circle is 1, comma 2. 19th question. In the figure, theta equals to dash. Here, PQR is a right angle triangle, right angle at P. So, here the opposite side of theta equals to A units and the adjacent side A root 3 units. So, here we use tan formula. From the figure, tan theta is equals to PR by PQ. Tan theta equals to PR means A units and PQ means A root 3 units. So A1's cancel. So remaining tan theta equals to 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3 means tan 30. Therefore theta equals to 30 degrees. So answer is D. So 20th question answer. Which of the following represents sin theta equals 21 by 29? We know the formula. Sin theta is equals to opposite side by hypotenuse. It is the B is the correct option. So opposite to theta equals to 21 and hypotenuse 29. Therefore 29 by 20, 21 by 29. This is option B is the correct. So 21st question. An observer is at O. Name the angle of depression of object C and angle of elevation of object A as seen from O as shown in the figure below. So here is observer point. This is angle of elevation, this is angle of depression. So angle of depression is equals to angle BOC. Angle of elevation is angle AOB. 22nd question. The top of the clock tower is observed at an angle of elevation of x degrees and the foot of the tower is at a distance of d meters from the observer. Draw the diagram for the data. So this is the diagram. This is the tower of clock. This is observer point. So the distance between AB d meters. So angle of elevation is alpha degrees. So this is the relevant figure for the question. 23rd question. Read the picture carefully and answer the following question. What is the angle of elevation? What is the angle of depression? What is angle A? DC represents. So first question, angle of elevation DBC 45 degrees, angle of depression EDA 30 degrees, angle A 30 degrees because these two are alternate interior angles. DC represents height of the house. So which of the following is not Vosey curve? This is Vosey curve. So this is greater than cumulative frequency curve, is less than cumulative frequency curve. These also Vosey curves. This is not a Vosey curve. This is a parabola. 25th question. From the adjacent figure, the value 20 represents mean, median, mode, range. Answer is the measure of central tendency is given by the x coordinate of the point of intersection of the more than Vosey curve and less than Vosey curve is the median. This value is the median. 26th question. Draw the rough figure for the following problem. Construct a triangle similar to a given triangle ABC with its sides equal to 5 by 3 of the corresponding sides of the triangle ABC. So scale here is the scale factor 5 by 3. So this is the rough figure for the given question. Twenty-seventh question. Draw a rough figure for the following problem. Given measures of sides of triangle are 4 centimeters, 5 centimeters, 6 centimeters, and we require to construct a similar triangle whose sides are equal to 2 by 3 of the corresponding sides or given triangle. Here the scale factor is 2 by 3 and the figure is So here is the 28th question. Draw a rough figure for the following problem. Construct an isosceles triangle whose base is 8 centimeters and altitude 4 centimeters. Then construct another triangle whose sides are 1 by 2 times the corresponding sides of the isosceles triangle. Here is the figure. Here is scale factor 3 by 2. Twenty-ninth question. Why triangle ABC is not similar to triangle PQR? Here, these are the two triangles. Triangle ABC is not similar to triangle PQR because the ratio of AB by PQ is not equal to AC by PR. 30th question. In the figure, L intersects AB in D and AC in E such that AD by DB equal to AE by EC. Then L is perpendicular to BC, L is parallel to BC, L is similar to BC, L is congruent to BC. Here is the figure. By converse of basic proportionality theorem, if a line divides any two sides of a triangle in the same ratio, then the line is parallel to the third side. Therefore, L is parallel to BC. This is the answer. Thank you children. Thank you for watching this video.